at last they said you have knowledge, but in Hindi, but you haven't knowledge in English. So that time I feel that I have lost anything at this time, and I feel demotivated on that time. So I
Good afternoon, and how are you? Tell me.
I'm fantastic, and thank you for asking me.
Okay.
It is pleasure for me.
And
So
yes, you can continue.
I want to know about you because first time I am connecting with you.
Yeah.
So I want to know.
So as you the first time we have connected on the Zoom application, and I'm also improving my speaking English. That's why I am here the platform on YouTube to why I use YouTube, why that's okay. I will talk it later, but first I can introduce, then it will be helpful for you. Then you will know about me. So my name is Shushma Verma, and I belong from West Bengal, and I have completed my master in history, and I have been working in Military Indian Services Department for 11 years, and apart from my professional side, I also working. I developing my expertise in data analytics course, as well as learning this language, speaking English. And I'm also want my desire is to mastering this language. So, and if you want to know about my hobbies, then I love to read books, listening musics, and dancing. That's all. So
Here to glad
if
about your
you introduce
introduction.
yourself, then it will be better for me.
Yeah, definitely I will introduce about myself. But at first, I want to say that here to glad your introduction that you are doing work and instead work you want to learn this language. So it is really amazing. So my name is now I'm going to introduce about myself. My name is Anamika and I'm 21 years old. I am from Uttar Pradesh. And if you talk about my education qualification, so I have completed my graduation. Currently, I am teaching in a private school as a teacher, and I'm running a YouTube channel. There, when I get time, so I upload video there. So that's all about myself. If you talk about my hobbies, so I like to write poems, and you can say I'm introvert person. Most of time I spend my time with my family and with nature and with myself.
Okay, so it's
That's all
nice.
about my.
Introduce yourself. You introduce yourself very well. It's great. So, as I sent you last night email to have a conversation with you, because somehow after watching your video, I just connected with you. I just wanted to have a conversation because your video I have watched in Minu Mem channels. And
Yeah.
you have a conversation with your Minu Mem's channel. So I have watched
Yeah.
that last night and one videos with Jadu. That's
I have a, actually I have a talk with Jadu brother and with Meenu ma'am and with English with Dehati ma'am. I have a talk to them already.
so after watching all the videos, I have found that you speak very well English. As a beginner, your fluency and as you are upgrading yourself, it is a good. And I'm also a beginner. I also want to improve myself. That's why I just want to connect most of the people that I can have a conversation with anyone on video. I want to overcome my fear because nowadays I'm practicing. I'm doing reading books. All the things I'm doing. I'm also using audio calls on Aspluency app and Peer Up app. uh, to improving
That is,
improve myself. But apart from
yeah.
this, somewhere I am feeling that if I face whenever I face camera video conversation, I just somewhere I feel nervous, or my grammar when I start to talk to anyone, my grammar become stuck. Speak wrongly. That fear I want to overcome after facing after having conversation. That's why I connect. And a beginner level, I don't think about there is a YouTuber beginner or a great YouTuber, big YouTuber. I don't want to anyone to. I just want to have a conversation. There will be anyone. I just have a conversation, and I want to improve myself. That's purpose. For that purpose, I am here to YouTube and connected with you.
Okay.
Okay.
Really, it is so amazing that you want to learn something new at this time and in this age. Yeah, this is good. Many people saying that there is no any age limit for if you want to
Yes.
learn something new. There is no limit, age limit. You can
Is
learn.
there is no any age to learn anything. If you want to learn anything, you can start at any age. The purpose will be clear, that yes, and the determination. If you want to learn anything, your determination, unflagging determination will work. If you keep procrastinating that I will do tomorrow, I will do, then it will not going to happen. Okay, so, and one thing I would like to ask you to that as I have watched your video with Minimum, you have said that you are a funny type of person. You do comedy always. And I'm also that I also have hold that type of personality. I also do comedy and many more things to enjoy myself, because sometimes we feel like na, that if you think like become serious all the time, then your mind becomes sad. That type of personality you can hold. But if you start to make fun by yourself to yourself, then it become very happy, mood become very fresh. That why we hold. And
I am
what's
talking
one
with
thing?
you and I'm smiling. Why I don't know, but I am smiling.
It makes me
And
feel
I don't.
happy, I think. It makes ourselves happy if you do comedy. Whether we are sad, whether it doesn't matter, whether what comes in our in mind. But if you smile, if you do comedy, it make you internally very happy. I think it is the better way to make happy yourself and to others also. And it's a great work. If you make happy one person in a day, then it is a great work. Because of you, anyone is laughing. That I, in my perspective, I think it is a very good work. No one can do. If anyone nowadays keep hurting, keep pointing out.
Nowadays you can nowadays you can see most of people they are not happy. They are always thinking other thing, and
Exactly.
you know, I'm always smiling, and most of teachers saying that, ma'am, why you always laugh and why you always smiling, what is the reason behind it? I said, nothing, ma'am, it's my habit.
Yeah.
Don't take seriously. I'm not laughing at anyone. It is my
Yes,
habit. It is
yes,
natural.
yes. It happens with me. Sometimes what happen now, we laugh for ourselves to become ourselves
Yeah.
happy, and others think that we are making others laugh. Joke. That's why they take seriously that why they are making jokes. So it's the problem, a big problem to. Okay,
Actually,
so
yeah.
yes.
Continue.
Okay, okay.
Actually, they
Can,
think we are laughing on them. So that's the reason they are thinking that why he is laughing, she is laughing. So they don't know. So if anyone are thinking like this, I don't know why I can know that why he what he is thinking. So I said to them that I'm not laughing at you. It's my natural things that I laugh most of time and I be happy because I talk myself. So I'm busy with myself.
you are the same like me. I think most of the things, personality, we matched to each other. So I would like to
Yeah.
ask one question here to you that what is the purpose of your to start this learning this language, and why and how did you start your journey?
Okay. Thank you for asking me,
Mm,
because most of people don't ask about this language,
mm.
that why you start and what is the reason that you start English speaking. So I'm going to
Oh,
tell
no, no,
you.
no. I
Actually,
watched your videos last night. After watching your videos, I have sent you your email to talk with you, because somewhere I was thinking after watching your videos that you are doing a great work, and your effort, your endeavors regarding this language is good. You are trying too hard, and that's why I am so excited to ask you that why, how, and why, how did you start your journey, and why? There is will be something behind this to learn this language, I think. So I just want to ask you.
I'm Hindi medium student, and there is no any environment for speaking English. So I was teaching. After 12th, I passed my 12th. Then I was starting to teach in a school. So that school was not good. Their teacher behavior was not good. So I thought that I should leave
Mm.
this school. Then I decided, and then I leave that school, and then I went in a CBSC school, and I had no any idea that in CBSC school they teach only English, because I was Hindi medium student. So I went there for interview. So they take my interview, and they asked to me many things, and at last they said you have knowledge, but in Hindi, but you haven't knowledge in English. So that time I feel that I have lost anything at this time, and I feel demotivated on that time. So I decided on that day that I will learn this language, then I will come in teaching field. Otherwise, I won't come. So on that day, I decided, and then I start to searching that how to speak English, that how to read English. Even I don't know how to read English. On that time, I don't know.
Okay,
And
so
then I
you
decided,
are an inspiring person for every girl, every woman, and every person, that why you have started your English learning journey, and what your journey is. I think most of the people nowadays affected from this, and they are suffering from this type of problem, because most of the people are from Hindi medium. But and at the same, I'm also from Hindi medium, and I'm suffering also that type of problem. And earlier, like I also wanted to teach, and somehow where there is a feeling, there is a fear in my mind that if I go to give interview, then they can ask that did you have any knowledge regarding English? And earlier I was very scared. I was very scared about this English language. But do you know? I have completed my graduation, my masters in Hindi medium. Okay, that type of fear I was, I have. So somewhere after having my duty, after doing my duty, and my school, my children's school in PTM, and wherever I go, whenever I think, I watch, I listen the parents, teachers, and most of the people are saying one incident changed my mind, that in PTM one elder, very aged woman was there, that grandma came in a PTM, and she speak like, oh my God. After listening her fluency, I just, what I can say, it was unexpected. And that time I decided that I have to learn this language. And I also, if she can, then why don't I? Then
yeah,
and since childhood I have a passionate. I am passionate about this language. So I just started my journey. Okay. Yes.
you thought. Absolutely right, because most of time we are saying that another people that they are doing great, and most of people they are jealousing. But we what we try, we think that if she can do, so why I'm not can do.
Yes.
Actually, then that day I decided that I will learn English, and first I will improve myself. Then I will try to come in. Uh, okay, now it
Maybe
is
this is
good.
something.
Then I will try. Then I
Sorry.
will try.
Hmm?
Then first I will improve my English, then I will come in teaching field. Otherwise I will not come. So
Your
on that day I
guts,
decided.
you have a guts, I think, and as you have done, you have thought about the learning this language because of that purpose. So many people are suffering, I think, from that purpose. And after watching your videos, after watching, listening your journey, why did you start your journey? They will get inspired. They will get inspired by you. That yes, I if she can, then why don't I? So
Yeah, yeah,
it is
absolutely right.
inspiring video will be, I think, for many persons if anyone watch. After watching you, after listening you, they can learn many more things, I think. And I'm also
Yeah.
learning from you. After watching, I have also learned many things. So it's a great thing you are
Yeah,
doing.
then I thought that where to start, because I had no any idea about this language. Even I don't know ABC. After completed, I passed my 12th. Then I don't know what is the tense. So that was the struggle about tense. That what is the tense? So I search on YouTube that what is the tense. So I watch English Connection. I think you heard about this channel. So I watch
English
her video,
connection.
Kanchan. Yeah, Kanchan ma'am's. So
Okay,
I
okay, okay.
saw her video. I don't get anything because she was speaking with fluency and she was not telling us deeply. So I watched Dear Sir video. That after watching that video, I realized that what is the tense and how we can make sentence. Many things I learned from Dear Sir. So I decided that now I can, because little bit I able to understand that how to make sentence. When, if when we are trying to learn something new, and we know that something we can do, so then we are thinking that we have a courage to do. So then I realizes that now I can do, and then I focused on my English language, and day by day I start to improving, and I learn many uses,
As
sentence,
you have
and
improved yourself a lot, I just want to ask you one thing that there will be anything, or have you taken any classes from any institute to learn this language?
actually, I had taken a institute, but there, they that institute they take much money. So I left that institute, because we had not
As
capability
you
for
are
paying.
saying, is you are pursuing graduation nowadays, or you have have you completed, or you are pursuing right now? You're
Completed this year. This year I have completed my graduation in
okay. So
2025.
so you have many more chances to that you as your age it now you grab anything very fast. There is no any extra chance that I have married. I am married girl, and I am blessed with two kids also. So I'm also working. So there is very load. I don't get many more times. But if you want, you can grab the chance very well. You can join. But nowadays there are so many things in YouTube, I think. If after watching many more videos are there, you can, if you subscribe any channel, and you can watch while watching, by watching you can improve yourselves by sitting at your home. That's the opportunity of
At this,
social media nowadays. And I
because
have I am saying
yeah.
that I okay, you can continue, then I will say you can continue.
Actually, I want to say, I want to add more thing about the social media. Because according to me, social media is boon for us because we
Yes.
can learn many, earlier there was nothing, but at this time YouTube, we can learn many things from YouTube without spending even single rupee. We can learn, we can watch AI animation videos,
Mhm.
so we can learn because we when we see the person they are doing other work, and at this time we can learn many things like animation video. There is many stories on YouTube. You can see, you can watch that video and you can learn from that video. Most of people saying the person who watching cell phone, they are not learning anything. According to me, that is absolute. According to me, that is opposite, because
I
that is
I didn't
absolutely
catch you. Can you repeat it again? What you have said?
actually many people saying the person who using cell phone, they are investing their time, they are not focusing their goals. So most of time I focus on my goal because of YouTube. I learn many things because of YouTube. So according to me, social media is boon for us, and we should we should
It depends. It depends person to person how they can deal with whether they are taking advantage or they are using like a disadvantage. It depends person to person. As we are learning, we are taking like a boon that we are improved. We have improved ourselves by learning, and we are at the platform of YouTube. So it
yeah.
is a boon for me. But somewhere at the same time, one person is using by doing wrong thing, by doing something, watching dirty videos, something dirty things are there on the video. There are no. If you watch that, I have no same finger in our hand. So there will be some persons are there in the world that they can do by themselves. So we are improving ourselves. That's enough. What they are doing, let them, and what they are saying, let them say. Okay. So one more thing I want to ask that what are you doing to improve yourself nowadays?
Nowadays, I'm not getting time, but yeah, I use two application. First application name is Duolingo, and
Yes.
second application name is Rollup. I use
Second one is
sometime when I get
second one is
Duolingo.
first one is
Second
Duolingo.
one is, yeah, second is Pirula. Actually,
Then
I can talk with another people like many people they want to improve their English, so I can talk with them on Pirula in audio call. So that is free of cost. So I use that application. And second is Duolingo. If you have no net, like if you have a no Wi-Fi, so you can use Duolingo. So both application is good for me. Nowadays I'm doing this kind of thing, and I always try to learn something new because I'm teaching in a school. So I always try to make
now
sentence,
where
and
you
I always,
teach, now where you teach, there is the English medium or Hindi medium.
yeah, it is CBSE board school, and they are appreciating to me much because I speak English. So that is the reason. And even my principal,
So
my student,
it's absolutely appreciable as you are doing. You have improved yourself first. Then you started to teach to students in CBSE. It's really appreciable. For this, you needed a guts and you nailed it, I think, as you have faced earlier and now you did by yourself. So it's a great work you are doing, in my perspective. Not my perspective, for everyone perspective, I am saying that you are doing a very great work. So, how long have you been started to learn?
this language,
Yes,
I have completed 1 years to
1 year.
learning this language.
Through
Yeah,
only
1 years. You
social
can.
media.
Yeah, only social media because there is no any environment. Even I speak with my mother. Sometime I kidding with my mama because I like to kid with my mama. So my mama is always saying, "Don't talk to me in English because I'm not understanding what you are
As
saying." And
you are from UP.
Yeah, I am from UP in Bhadohi district.
And I am also belong to Bihar, but born and brought up in Bengal. So I relate to Bihar, and as it doesn't matter where you are, UP or Bihar. In India, most as villagers we don't get environment to take to talk anyone. So that's why we
Yeah.
use some applications like Fluency and many of peer or more. I have started to talk, and I improved myself by talking in Fluency app. Before this, I just keep working, keep studying, but that was not working. I was not able to talk to anyone. But last 1 month back, I have started to talk. If while when I started to talk to anyone, I was facing many problems. I was talking. I get stuck, and I humble to what I have to do next. Many more things I was facing like that. But after making consistency on that app, after using day by day on regular basis, I have improved a lot. And nowadays I'm speaking with you. That's
Yes.
the example. So somewhere we will make mistake. It's we are human and we are learning. So there will be no any chances that we are improved a lot. We will not make any mistake. That will not getting not going as we improved ourselves, and as we are learning we can make mistakes. So without thinking about mistake, we should talk, we should have conversation on regular basis, and keep practicing, keep learning always, I think. So
So
mhm.
yeah, I understand. Actually, earlier when I was start to speaking, I also stuck. While speaking, sometime I forget that what I want to speak, and because of fear, we forget which sentence we want to speak. So it is a natural thing, according to me. We because of mistake, we can learn many things, and I think mistakes make a human perfect.
Yes. You know what I can do after completing this video when I upload on YouTube? I upload video to watch to observe my mistakes, and what I have did earlier, what I have did earlier, and what I am doing right now. I just observe by uploading the videos. That's why I have created my channel on YouTube. Uh, and you didn't say about your channel name. It will be better if you would say your channel name, as my channel name is World of Sukma, YouTube channel name. So
My channel name is
yes,
Anamika Bin 21, and most of people me English with Anamika 21.
okay, English with Anamika 21. Yes. So after uploading the videos on YouTube, I just keep listening that where I have made mistake, and then I sorry.